I have a very special plate to share with you today. This is our Flanders Fields plate in honor of veterans everywhere. I've had a number of questions on how I did the backdrop for these two particular nails. So I'm just going to put together a quick little video here for you and show you the technique that I used using our stamper and our polishes. So we'll just slide this guy out of the way a little bit. And we have two nail pops here ready to go. They are painted with our number 15 stone cold stamping polish, and they are dry. And now I'm going to use our silicone mat as a tool really to create the look here. So take this polish, number 15 stone cold, and I'm just gonna smoosh a bit of it down here on the mat. You'll see what I'm using here. Using quite a bit of it. I just want to make sure it stays wet. Then I'm coming with our slate gray, sorry, and just smooshing back and forth over top. Just lightly. I don't want too much of the color to come, just a little bit. And then take your clear stamper here, our big bling, and roll over top. And lift up a bunch of that polish. You can see that there. And now we're going to go straight to the nail. Press down over top. Focus there. And release. And there you go. Tap down those little edges. Wait for that to dry. I like to top coat before I stamp, just in case I make some mistakes, then I can go back and redo it without having to do my base color again. So let's do one more here. Got another pop ready to go. Clean this up using my sticky pad here to clean off my stamper. I usually just leave it off to the side so I don't have to chase it around the table. All right, so that number 15 again, and pop down a base. This time I'm going to just do a couple of spots with my slate. Pick it up with the stamper. And it doesn't matter that it didn't all come up because we've got a base down, so it'll still fit and work just like so. Now if you want to, the polish that's still left on there, sometimes I just kind of go back in and pop down little spots of it just to create a bit of a different finish, like so. So now we just wait for that to dry. Doesn't take too long at all. I come along with a tack-free top coat and cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'm ready to stamp. You can do this with any color. It's just a really fun backdrop for stamping. There's a couple here that are sitting around that we've done. Let me just pop them on here and show you. That's one I did with the shimmers. Really pretty. Let's find a pink one we did the other day. Here's a peachy one. Really, it's endless, whatever colors you put together, the different looks that you can create with this technique. So make sure you tag us if you try this and let us know how you do. Hashtag see where you stamp, and we will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.